Nama saya Fatimah binti Johari. Just habis 3 days basic oil and gas enrichment course dekat Think Plus. Okay.
Ni nak tanya dari mana ya?
You mean
Asal.
Okay, kita daripada Sungai Buloh.
Dekat je.
Dekat, sangat dekat.
So kerja apa sekarang?
Sekarang ni actually unemployed. Tapi from different background, bukan daripada oil and gas. That's why kita enroll sebab nak buat career change. Tapi actually this course is very helpful. Memang betul-betul bagus as an introduction.
So apa yang buat Puan Fatimah tertarik dengan oil and gas industry?
Buat tertarik.
Apa yang ambil course ni tiba-tiba?
Dia macam ni lah, how to say, peer pressure.
Banyak kawan.
Tapi kita ada ramai lah kawan-kawan. Then we see there's one point at your life you nak buat satu advancement lah, macam tu. You tengok your friends all semua. So kita tengok those yang actually dekat oil and gas, regardless any apa tu field lah. Kan ada banyak kan yang tadi tu. Tapi basically it is an interesting industry lah. So di banyak orang kata peluang.
Suami Puan pun dalam oil and gas kan?
Tak.
That's why dulu pun nak masuk.
That's why, yes. So I said kalau apa ni, it's better. You know, sometimes two heads is better than one. Okay.
So Puan pernah belajar kat university? Kat college?
College saja.
Kan?
Dekat Kota Kinabalu.
Oh,
yeah. So dia macam apa? Twinning program je. Awarded by UK University, UK College. Tapi kita complete all the courses here dekat Malaysia.
What kind of qualification?
Business and hospitality.
Okay.
So memang tak ada kena-mengena langsung.
InsyaAllah boleh masuk. Cabang oil and gas ni memang
yeah, that's why ini orang kata just memang betul-betul just nak tengok sneak peek lah. Orang cakap.
And then can you tell us a little bit what have you learned in the 3 days compared to what you learned in your college? Is it different?
Interesting. Kat sini kita datang, you know, like macam betul-betul, you know, a white canvas. Memang tak tahu apa. Tapi surprisingly within 3 days, you know, kita macam orang kata tahu, boleh, not to say, bukan tahu as in orang kata dah tahu dah, macam dah belajar tahun, tapi I mean kita dah tak, dulu tak sebut oil and gas, you know, yang feel blank, apa yang ada kat dalam. So at least now kita tahu dah basically apa yang, you know, what is happening inside, apa semua, what they do, apa semua. The cost structure, all semuanya is very orang kata kalau dekat college kan, belajar selalunya okay, and then the lecturer pergi baca je balik your whatever that you beli. So I said kita pun boleh baca and tunjuk-tunjuk formula all, dan kat sini it's very interactive. So actually it's helpful. Memang betul-betul bagus. I would say everybody yang orang kata yang tak tahu nak belajar pun boleh. Boleh lah. I mean it's a good. Memang sangat-sangat